So familia, Angel Anderson here with a brand new episode of Marketing News. Before we get started with today's episode, I want to acknowledge two people that submitted questions and suggested topic for today's episode. One is Gary. First of all, is Gary. Gary asked a question about false scarcity. However, research didn't uncover any law, policy, regulation surrounding scarcity or false scarcity. Second, I want to also acknowledge Steven for suggesting that this DMCA topic, which is about copywriting information on the website. And that topic got me thinking and researching, and I came across about a report that was sent to Congress claiming that 85% of the websites collected some type of information on the visitor, on the consumers, but only 14% told the consumer how they collected the information and what they did with the information. And I said, you know what? That can happen. It can be true with all this information, with all this coverage, news coverage on Facebook and other companies that have data breach policies. And, you know, regardless if you read the privacy policy page or not, there should be one. It should be one. So I want to check random websites of companies that I use, services that I've used, and 9 out of 10 did not have a privacy policy page. The 9 out of 10 didn't tell me what information they were collecting from me and how they used that information. I know for a fact that I gave them name, email, shipping address, credit card information, how they're using my information, how they're using your information. And here's the kicker. Here's my question for you today. Should I stop using these websites until they notify me or they post on their website what information they're collecting and how they're using it? That's a really good question. You as a consumer, should you be aware of the information that people are collecting of you and how they're using that information? And let's flip that question around. Should you as a website owner, should you have a privacy policy page? And if you don't have one, what can you do to fix that right now, today? But here are two ways that you can do it. First of all, hire a lawyer. I am not a lawyer, so I can't tell you you can do X, Y, Z, but so should have a lawyer. Second, if you don't have the funds to hire a lawyer, don't let that stop you. Search privacy policy template, copy and paste, read it, modify as needed, and then when you have the funds, hire a lawyer to review that policy page. For your convenience, I'm going to post a template, the template that I use for my own privacy policy page. And remember, I am not a lawyer. I am not giving you a legal advice. I'm telling you if you don't have the funds to hire a lawyer, use that one, but still go and have a lawyer review it. And if you find anything wrong, please let me know so I can update mine as well. So I hope you like this informative marketing news. Takeaways: have a privacy policy page if you're a website owner. That will be the biggest takeaway. And inform your customers what information you're collecting and how you're using it. Now, here's the kicker. Do you know if you're losing business because you don't have a privacy policy page? Who knows? But I would love to know your answer to my previous question. Should I stop using the services that don't have a privacy policy page and they're collecting my information? I know they're collecting some type of information because I'm giving it to them. Should I be notified? Should I stop using that product? Should I tell them? I would love to know. Just type in the comments below any notes for the today's episode, any resources, and the privacy policy template. It will be in the description of this video. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this episode of Marketing News. And remember that every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time is going to be a brand new episode of Marketing News. With that said, my friend, I hope you're having a fantastic day. The best day ever. See you in the next one. Peace out.